managing to fit a proper fixed bed, a full flex bathroom, and a luxury kitchen into a footprint smaller than some family SUV sounds like an impossible task, but it isn't. And that's precisely what makes this small camper van a true masterpiece. Let me introduce you to the Malibu Van Compact 540DB. It stands as one of the shortest, fully featured camper vans available on the market, and the engineering you'll find inside is nothing short of astonishing. I think it's time we took a closer look. Now let's begin with the price point. A well-equipped base model will set you back between $98,000 and $102,000. However, if you opt for a fully loaded version with additions, like the family for 4 pop-top roof and all the premium packages, the price can climb to around $114,000. But remember, this isn't just another camper van. This is a precision-engineered German creation from the Carthago Group. What you're investing in here is craftsmanship that genuinely competes with motorhomes twice its physical size. The first thing that strikes you about the Malibu Van Compact 540DB is its incredibly compact dimensions. The van measures just 17 feet and 9 inches in length, making it only slightly longer than a typical luxury sedan. Its width comes in at about 6 feet 10 inches, and it stands 8 feet 6 inches tall. Though it's worth noting that with the optional family for 4 pop-top roof, that height increases to 8 feet 10 inches. Just think about that for a second. This vehicle can easily slip into standard parking spaces and navigate through city streets as effortlessly as any everyday car. All the brilliant interior design we're about to explore is packed into a van that drives with the agility of a nimble urban vehicle. It really makes you wonder, what sort of German engineering magic is at work here? This impressive build rests on the reliable Fiat Ducato F35 light chassis, featuring a medium 135-inch wheelbase. Under the hood, you'll discover a 2.2-liter diesel multi-jet 3 engine that delivers 140 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque as the standard offering. For those who desire more power for tackling steep mountain roads, there is an available upgrade to 180 horsepower. While a manual transmission comes standard, many buyers choose the advanced 9-speed ZF automatic transmission. This is far from the clunky gearboxes of old. It operates with a buttery smoothness that makes both city driving and highway cruising an absolute pleasure. The van rides on a set of 16-inch alloy wheels. Taking a walk around to the driver's side, you'll find all the main service points tidily integrated into the design. The mains electrical hookup point is conveniently placed for campsite connections, and you can see the flue for the Truma Combi heating system. This van is outfitted with either a Truma Combi 4 or the upgraded Combi 6 system, which can operate on gas and electric or even diesel and electric, ensuring warmth even in the coldest conditions. The access point for the cassette toilet is also located here, and this is where Malibu's clever design begins to show its genius. The toilet unit itself is designed to swivel and glide forward beneath the dinette area when not needed, which frees up space in the shower. We'll delve into that clever mechanism in just a moment. You'll also find the fuel filler cap here, positioned behind the driver's door for added security, with the 5-gallon AdBlue filler located right beside it. Every element is flush with the bodywork, preserving the vehicle's aerodynamic shape and contributing to its premium, polished appearance. Moving to the rear of the van, you're met with classic barn doors that open up to reveal the garage space located under the bed. On the left side of this garage area, there is a dedicated gas storage compartment built to hold 2 11-pound propane cylinders. This relatively smaller capacity is quite practical because the primary heating system is the Truma unit, which can run on diesel, thereby lessening your dependence on LPG. The locker is securely sealed and properly vented to ensure safety and meet all regulations. If you glance upward, you'll notice the lens for the reversing camera smartly integrated into the high-level brake light housing. This provides a comprehensive bird's-eye view when you're reversing into those snug, picturesque camping spots. The roof of this van is particularly noteworthy. The standard model boasts a sleek metal high roof design. However, there is an optional family for 4 hybrid pop-up roof available. This isn't a flimsy afterthought. It's constructed from ultra-sturdy glass-reinforced plastic and includes a special protective coating to guard against hail damage. Weighing only 231 pounds, it is both lightweight and remarkably durable. This feature seamlessly transforms what is essentially a two-person van into a four-berth family adventure vehicle, all without substantially increasing the overall size or sacrificing its discreet, car-like aesthetic. On the passenger side, the main feature is the large sliding door, which comes with an integrated, high-quality fly screen, an absolute essential for enjoying summer evenings. Below this door, an electric step automatically extends to welcome you inside. This side also houses the freshwater fill point. The freshwater tank has a generous 21-gallon capacity, which is impressive for a van in this size category. The wastewater tank, which is insulated and mounted underneath, holds about 24 gallons. The dump valve is situated here as well, featuring a simple twist handle that you can operate easily without fumbling around in the dirt. Overall, the exterior is finished with Malibu's signature premium flush-fitting windows. These not only look superb but also offer excellent insulation and significantly reduce wind noise compared to standard caravan windows. Now let's slide open that door and see what awaits us inside. Stepping inside through the sliding door, the genius of Malibu's space optimization immediately becomes apparent. You are greeted by walls and a ceiling lined with a luxurious microfiber climate-regulating material. There's no cold, bare metal in sight. This premium covering helps to dampen sound, maintains a stable interior temperature, and creates an upscale atmosphere you'd typically expect in a much larger motorhome. The headroom in the living area is an impressive 6 feet 3 inches, allowing even taller individuals to move about comfortably. The lounge area consists of a forward-facing bench seat on one side, and the two swiveling captain's chairs from the cab. These chairs can rotate a full 180 degrees to become part of the living space. They aren't basic seats. They are upholstered in the same premium fabric as the living area and feature padded armrests and tilt adjustment, making them genuinely comfortable for both long journeys and relaxed evenings. The bench seat is thoughtfully designed to accommodate two people comfortably and includes ISOFIX points for child seats, making this a practical family vehicle with a total of 4 belted travel seats. The table incorporates a clever swing-out extension leaf that rotates to reach between the bench and the captain's chairs, allowing 4 people to dine together comfortably. When not in use, the table can be unclipped or repositioned to free up more floor space. Beneath the bench seat, there is generous storage. A particularly clever feature is a double floor section with a built-in hatch and high-quality hinges. This creates a cellar-like compartment perfect for storing shoes, heavy items, or wet gear, helping to keep the main living area tidy and clutter-free. It's easily accessible with a simple one-touch mechanism. Overhead, you'll find sturdy storage lockers with proper metal hinges. The lighting is exquisite, with ambient LED strips that can create various moods, along with focused reading lights positioned perfectly for evening relaxation. There's also a large 20-inch by 28-inch midi-Heki skylight above that floods the space with natural light during the day. Malibu also includes high-quality cab blinds. These aren't fiddly suction cup types, but proper Ramis-pleated blinds that slide out from the pillars to black out the windscreen and side windows in seconds. Moving along to the kitchen on the near side, you might expect compromises in a van of this size, but Malibu refuses to settle for mediocrity. The galley is genuinely impressive. It features a premium 2-burner gas hob with electric spark, ignition, and a glass lid that covers it to expand your worktop space when not cooking. Next to it is a deep stainless steel sink. A clever detail here is that the sink cover has a split design, allowing part of it to double as a cutting board. There is also a convenient flip-up countertop extension at the end of the kitchen block to maximize your workspace. It's these thoughtful touches that exemplify German engineering at its finest. Kitchen storage is fantastic. You have 3 large deep drawers with soft close mechanisms. There's a dedicated pre-organized cutlery drawer, and top lockers provide even more space. An integrated spice rack shelf is built into the wall, keeping your cooking essentials within easy reach. Multiple power points are included: 3 230-volt sockets, 1 12-volt socket, and USB charging ports, so you're never scrambling for a place to plug in your devices. Now let's talk about the refrigerator. This is a 22-gallon compressor model with a 1.6-gallon freezer compartment. That is seriously impressive capacity for a van of this size. Being a compressor fridge, It cools down rapidly and isn't dependent on the vehicle being perfectly level, which is a huge advantage for wild camping. It's positioned at the end of the kitchen block, near where the aisle narrows by the bedroom. This placement could have been awkward, but Malibu cleverly extended the kitchen floor slightly into the washroom area. So if you take a step back, accessing the fridge remains easy even when someone is using the bathroom. Speaking of the bathroom, this is where the compact 540dB designation truly shines and where Malibu's designers have been truly inventive. At first glance, you see what appears to be a standard shower cubicle with frosted privacy doors. It's a well-sized space with twin drains in the floor, a roof vent above, and enough room to shower comfortably without your elbows hitting the walls. No clingy curtains here. But you might ask, where's the toilet? This is where the magic happens. The cassette toilet is mounted on a clever swiveling mechanism. When you need the toilet, it rotates out smoothly to form a comfortable toilet compartment. But when you want to shower, you simply swivel it away completely into a recess under the seating area. This makes the toilet vanish from the shower floor, giving you a spacious, fully enclosed shower cubicle. This flex bathroom concept is genius. It allows Malibu to fit a proper wet room into a space where most manufacturers would force you to choose between a cramped booth or a curtain. The wash basin is another clever piece of engineering. It hinges out from the wall when needed, providing a proper sink for washing up, and then tucks neatly away when you want maximum shower space. Behind the mirrored doors, there is generous storage with an open shelved area that includes a fiddle rail to stop items from sliding off. There's also additional space for toiletries, towels, and other bathroom essentials. Moving to the rear of the van, we find what many consider the 540dB's crowning achievement, the bedroom. In a van that is only 6 feet 10 inches wide, how do they fit a bed that adults can actually sleep in comfortably? They use subtle body wideners, essentially small extensions, on the sides of the van that carve out precious extra inches. The result is a transverse double bed measuring approximately 6 feet 3 inches in length and 4 feet 7 inches wide at one end, tapering to 4 feet 2 inches at the other. But here's what makes this bed truly special. The access height is just 25 inches off the floor. This means no ladder, no awkward climbing, and no knee-jarring drops in the middle of the night. You simply sit on the edge and lie down, just like you would at home. The mattress itself is a genuine 7-zone cold foam quality mattress, resting on a ventilated slatted frame. This provides proper orthopedic support, not just a foam pad on plywood. Many owners report sleeping better in this bed than they do in their own beds at home. Storage in the bedroom is incredible. A ring of overhead cupboards runs along the sides and back, providing massive amounts of space for clothes, gear, and personal items. There's even a large dedicated linen cupboard for bedding. Underneath the bed is the garage. The bed frame is cleverly split, allowing you to lift one or both sides to access this storage area or to transport tall items like bicycles. The garage is heated, lit with LED strips, and features lashing rails to secure your cargo. There's often a removable double floor system here too, allowing you to separate muddy outdoor gear from your clean luggage. You'll also find easy access to the Truma Combi boiler, the frost protection valve, and the water drain taps in this area. Everything is designed for owner-friendly maintenance. Above the bed, a mini Hecky skylight provides ventilation and natural light. While this compact 540dB model prioritizes an open, airy feeling over a solid dividing door found in larger models, the layout still creates a cozy, distinct sleeping zone. You can even sit up in this bed to read. It's remarkable how Malibu has managed to create this hotel-like bedroom experience within such a compact footprint. Finally, let's take a quick look at the driver's cab. The Fiat Ducato cab features premium upgrades, including a leather steering wheel, chrome-ringed instruments, and a fully digital cockpit with a 10.1-inch touchscreen. This includes Motorhome-specific navigation, Daplum radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The reversing camera, full air conditioning, and high seating position make this feel more like driving a car than a camper van. The swiveling captain's chairs feature padded armrests and height adjustment, while an overhead cabinet stores the dining table during transit. Everything feels solid and built to last, unsurprising. Given that Malibu is part of the Carthago Group, famous for some of Germany's most luxurious motorhomes, the build quality includes 0.8-inch insulation panels in the roof and floor, plus cold bridge-free walls, translating to genuine four-season capability and quiet touring. All in all, the Malibu Van Compact 40 dB strikes the perfect balance between car-like mobility and genuine camper comfort. It drives like a vehicle half its size and feels like a boutique hotel, all in a package you can park at the supermarket without a second thought. So with all these features and that premium engineering, do you think this camper van is a true masterpiece? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to see another camper van with innovations that push the boundaries, be sure to click on the video we have for you next. We'll see you soon at another luxury motorhome.